Yourself down here, Mother. No, sit there because I want a picture.
Oh.
This is Ben's first wiener roast.
This is Benny's first.
Oh God, is this going to be on freaking YouTube? I'll come and drop
It'll be up on YouTube later today.
It better not be.
Guaranteed it will.
This is a point issue. You cannot post me on.
I signed no
Ben's
papers.
first
That's right.
wiener roast, and he's crashed out with Mom.
What do you think of the marshmallows?
Good.
They cook nice, like
Yeah,
cause
they do.
I'm surprised they cook so well into the middle.
Yeah.
For being
Are you in other YouTube videos?
230 or
You got that thing on me right now?
Are you in any other YouTube videos or?
No, and I never.
No? Oh.
Oh, we can get you in one.
Well, if I'm in it, there'll be 5 million hits in the first night.
Might go viral.
Might go viral. I might be on Ellen DeGeneres.
Yeah, it'll be everybody saying, how can we get this deleted?
Oh no, that's not what I was thinking.
Oh, that's not what you're thinking.
Yeah. Just beautiful.
Oh, isn't it?
Yeah, it's nice out.
After those 2 heavy showers, and then it just turned out so much.
Wind died, everything.